Hey guys, it's Linda and I'm back again with another video. For today's Fabulous Friday, I'm going to be showcasing some fabulous makeup. I have here some products from the Mint Melt collection by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I'm so excited to show you guys and test them out for myself. So first things first, let's look at these brushes. Look at how cute these brushes are. I love the mint green packaging and they're matte. I don't know if you can tell, but they're matte. Let's open them up and take a closer look. So this is what they look like, and just to give you a feel of the size, they're pretty nice and fit nicely in your fingers. So first we have here a blending brush. I would use this as a transition color because it's really fluffy and blendable. Next we have this wide contour brush. This is just to add a little more definition in that crease area, and it has a really nice shape to it. And then this one is a really dense pencil brush, or just an all-around eyelid brush. You can really pack on color onto the lid with this brush. So next we have the cleansing pad. Look at how beautiful that is. I love these types of cleansing pads. They're really nice for removing makeup, but really gentle on the skin. So this is what it looks like. Look at how thick it is. It's super fluffy. And you just add your micellar water and just wipe away the makeup. And it's obviously eco-friendly because you don't have to keep using makeup wipes. You just rewash these and clean your whole face with it. And it has two sides. So this is gonna be really nice for cleaning the face because it's really nice and gentle. So next we have the Minty Fresh Cooling Cleanser. This is a really nice size. Look at how nice that is. So down here, it says here it's 3.63 fluid ounces. Really good size. And this is what it looks like. Let's give it a try. Whoa. So definitely a little goes a long way. So just half a pump gave me this much. And it lathers really nicely. Look at that, just half a pump and it already filled up my whole hand. Okay, it smells so delicious. It smells just like mint chocolate chip ice cream. So next we have the Cooling Face Primer here. And this says that it's 1.01 fluid ounces. So let's give it a try. So as you can see, it's a gel. Wow, okay, I was not expecting that. It's really thick. A little bit definitely goes a long way. Wow, that also smells like mint chocolate chip ice cream. That feels really nice. I feel like this is gonna be a really nice base for makeup. So next we have the lip exfoliator, and this is what it looks like. Minty. So if you guys haven't seen my e.l.f. advent calendar unboxing, I'll link it above. But I did get a lip exfoliant in that advent calendar and it was cherry and it's amazing. So I'm really excited to use this. It's very gentle, but it definitely exfoliates the lips nicely and preps it for lipstick. So moving on to gloss, I have two lip plumping glosses here. So the first one I'm gonna show you is called A Hint of Mint. So if you look at it, it's a clear gloss with a hint of green. So let's give it a swatch. So yes, it's definitely just a clear, but it does have a nice thick texture to it, and it is also minty scented. So the next one is really fun. This one is called Mint Sprinkle, and Mint Sprinkle has these beautiful glitters. So let's give this one a swatch. The glitter on this is beautiful. It's almost holographic, and you can see that it's a nice minty green glitter. So next I'm gonna show you the eyeshadow sticks. These are the No Budge eyeshadow crayons. So the first one is called Mint For You. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm gonna swatch it next to the gloss. Look at how beautiful that is. That is truly a mint color. And it glides on so nicely. I think that'll look really nice in a cut crease. And the next one is in the color Ice Cream. Look at how beautiful that is. That is a glittery gold. Wow. Wow, that is beautiful. Do you guys see how the light just catches that gold color? So now we're gonna get into the good stuff. My favorite part of this collection is definitely the Eyeshadow Bites. These little palettes are so beautiful. I knew when I saw them that I had to have them. So we're gonna start first with this one. This palette is called Mint to Be. Let's give these a swatch from top to bottom. So from top to bottom, this is what they look like. And these are the swatches. So the next palette we're gonna try is Chocolate Mint. So again, I'm gonna swatch from top to bottom. So once again, from top to bottom, these are the swatches. So that's all for today's fabulous Friday show and tell. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my e.l.f. haul. I really liked all of these mint products. Let me know what was your favorite item that I showed today. As always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Remember that I upload videos every Tuesday and Friday. Tuesdays are Budget Babe videos and Fridays are Fabulous Friday videos. I thank you guys so much for joining me on today's Fabulous Friday. I'll see you guys on Budget Babe Tuesday. Bye.